Guess what, guys? They lifted the mask mandate indoors. I'm about to go into this mall here in Korea. You can see it. It's called the DEBEC Mall, right outside Camp Walker, Camp Henry. So we're about to go inside, see what we find in there. Maybe if we get lucky, we'll find some Pokemon cards. All right, let's go inside. So as you can see, this mall's really fancy. They have like a lot of stores, a lot of fancy stores. If you look behind me, you'll notice. Like this store right here, DKNY. Yeah, so this mall is like tall, and each floor is a different part of the mall. So like this is the clothing floor, so we're gonna go up to the 3rd floor. It says right here, women's shoes, handbags. Let's go up. This mall's really fancy too. If you see behind me, it's just glass, cool lights, all the things of a nice, rich store. Oh, look down here. This is cool. That's where we came in at, down there. Look at these dresses. Over here. Really fancy dresses and hats and coats, and this is like kind of like a luxury mall. All right, let's go up one more. The next one's women's casual. Where's the men's at? Okay, I just want to see the men's stuff. All right, men like to shop too. So I'm taking my video with the I'm taking the video with my phone because I didn't want to wear the GoPro in here. So we're just gonna shoot some with the. Oh look, more clothes and women's stuff. You've heard of these stores? Comment, because I don't know what these stores are. BCBG. Don't know what that is. All right, I'm gonna switch the video to the other side. You got Polo, Ralph Lauren, Lacoste, I don't know how to say it. A bunch of fancy stores up here. Tommy Hilfiger. Want some Tommy Hilfiger. Oaks. Cambridge. You got Cambridge here? Yeah, so this mall has everything, as you can see. Look at these suits. Zen. Kids wear on the 8th floor. All kinds of kids stuff. They got a play area for the kids, a bunch of shoes and kids stuff. Champion Kids Sports Club. All the kid things you could possibly want. Look at all this stuff. It's ridiculous. Look at these kids on the floor. Everything's like pink and blue and pretty colors. Oh look, they got baby stuff here. I'm telling you, it's a high-class mall, for real. So this is the very top floor. The 9th, well, I think it's the top floor. This is all kitchenware. Tefal. I don't know what that says. Kitchenware. Pots and pans as far as the eye can see. And bedding. This is the 10th floor, I believe, and it's all furniture stuff. Furniture related stuff. Queen collection, There's some bathrooms, so that's good. Yeah. Every floor is something different. This is the 11th floor, and it has restaurants. They have sample plates of what you can order, which is pretty cool. And this is all restaurants up here. Looks like you can do some trips, like some travel agency or something right here. If you want to go on some trips, you can fly to different places. There's literally like nobody here. It's crazy. Look at this floor, how clean it is. It's amazing. Yep. Now we're in the elevator. It's kind of hard to see with the reflection, but we're going down. You can see Daegu in the window. I don't know if you can see it real well. This mall is really nice. Doesn't have any toys. I wanted some toys, but there's no toys. They got a bike store in this mall. And these are nice bikes too. Look at these bikes. Never even seen that bike before. Golly, it's a sweet bike. Look at this gold bike. These are sweet bikes. Look at that. So we just went in the E-Mart, the trusty E-Mart that I always come to, and got some more cards to open up. So 20 packs, you know, nothing crazy, just 20. Look at these cars right here. This guy just detailed them. Look at this one. Isn't that a fancy car? I think he like details them in this shop right here. It says car care. He's got a car in there right now. Anyway, this is what it looks like at night in Korea, in case you're wondering. Here's that apartment complex that we've seen earlier in other videos. So we just got out of the DEBEC Mall and I stopped here to get some cards. I promise I'm not going to keep buying them, but like I said, I only have so many months left in Korea, and once I leave, I'll probably never get Korean Pokemon cards again. So still got a couple months, we can buy some more. There's my car parked just randomly. So yeah, that's what it looks like at night. As you can see, it's still busy. Well guys, I figured why not end this night on a good note. Come down here to the local eatery, the corn dog place. Hope it's still open. Oh, is it still open? Yes, it's still open. Awesome. Hello. So yeah, this is So yeah guys, this is my favorite corn dog place here next to Camp Walker. This is the one we always come to when my family was here with me, so it's a good one. It is a good one. The corn dogs are nice and big and warm. You can see her back there making it right now. They actually make them all fresh. Starts out with just a dog, you know, a hot dog, if you get a hot dog, on a stick, and then they fry it and put the cheese and all that stuff. So I also sometimes like to come to this 7-Eleven right here behind me. You can see it, zoom it in there. Okay, it's not working, but there's a 7-Eleven right here. I'll go in there and get some drinks while I'm waiting. So we might walk in there real quick. All right guys, so we just got the corn dog. let you see what it looks like. There it is, covered in sugar. You got to eat it when it's warm though, because if it gets cold, it's not that good. So, hot, hot. Look at that. I got cheese coming off there. Oh yeah. Oh. Yeah, that's good. And it's filling too. You know, one corn dog, that's all you need. That's like a whole meal right there. Sorry the camera's crooked. I'm sitting on an angle, so. About to get down to the hot dog right here on this next bite. There it is. That's good. I'm gonna put it back in here. The rest of it right now, but before we end this video, let's open a pack. Open one of these packs up right here. This is series 7 right here. 67 cards in this one, so I feel like if I could complete any of the series, it would be this one. It's only 67 cards. Let's open it up here on camera, see what we get. Alright guys, you're seeing them first. And no way! Oh! Right off the bat, we pulled it. That's double rare, and you know what? I have this one already. So that's a double. I'll probably put that in a sleeve, and maybe I can sell it to somebody on Facebook. So you saw it, we pulled it on camera, first pack, double rare. All right, let's go, let's end this video here. Thanks for sticking around and watching. Just a quick video about the mall and stuff. It's all blurry and stuff. But I'll see you in the next video.